Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to mute any video using an app called Video Mute. To get the app, all you have to do is go to your Play Store, type in CE Mute Video Creator. Download and install the app, and you're good to go. To use the app, all you have to do is tap on Select Video, choose the video that you want to mute, all you have to do is tap on the mute toggle and hit save, and the video will be saved to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.